Christmas at home is all about family time, attending church services, meet up with friends, and a lot of good food. Streets are decorated at almost every corner, starting right from the first week of December. Visiting these decorations is one of the most common and favorite activities of the season. This season brings along bittersweet moments for families who have lost their loved ones. It is a tradition for many to visit the cemetery and clean up the place, as well as repaint and decorate the gravestone of their loved ones. The church also pays tribute to the departed soul by dedicating one church service to comfort and console their families during this season. 26th December is the feast day where each church prepared food for the whole community. Volunteers from each household, usually men and youths, would start preparing food right from the morning, and the church members have a big feast by the evening. This is usually followed by an entertainment program where kids showcase their talents and enjoyed a fun evening.